Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today, our group will be presenting for technology management, which is our chosen company is Yamaha company. The company was founded in 1887 by Torokusu Yamaha. It actually started when he repaired a broken organ, which is musical instrument, at the primary school. After World War II, the company used its metalworking skills to start making motorcycles. The main product is motorcycles and power sport. This includes motorbikes, scooters, and even marine engines. Second is musical instruments, which is pianos, keyboards, guitars, and drums. And the third is audios and electronics, which is the high quality speakers and professional sound system for concerts. Now let's take a look at the pastel analysis for Yamaha, which help us understand the external factors affecting the business. Politically, Yamaha must navigate complex trade policies. Changes in international agreements or tariffs can make parts more expensive, forcing the company to either raise prices or build local factories to save costs. Political stability is also key. Conflicts can disrupt shipping and supply chains. On a positive note, government green policies and subsidies for electric vehicles are creating a massive opportunity for Yamaha to sell more electric scooters. From an economic standpoint, the value of the yen is crucial. A weak yen makes Yamaha's products cheaper for global buyers, which help boost sales. Conversely, high inflation rates increase the cost of materials like steel, aluminium, and rubber, which can squeeze profit margins if those costs aren't passed to the customers. Additionally, when interest rates are high, customers are less likely to take out loans for luxury items like premium motorcycles or boats. As for social factors, Yamaha are seeing a shift in lifestyle attitudes. In busy cities, people are moving away from cars toward easy-to-park transportation like scooters. Population demographics are also shifting in places like Japan and Europe. An aging population means Yamaha may need to focus more on comfortable touring bikes rather than high-speed sport bikes. Lastly, there is a growing demand for safety. Yamaha is responding by adding better braking system and stability technology to meet the social demand for safer vehicles.
Next, I will explain the L and E element in Yamaha pastel analysis, which are technology, legal, and environmental factor. For the technology factor, Yamaha is improving its innovation by developing advanced motorcycle technologies such as AI-based system and smart manufacturing. Yamaha also use automation and robot in factory to produce engine faster, reduce mistake, and improve efficiency. In addition, Yamaha is adapting to technology change by shifting from gasoline engine to electric motorcycle to stay competitive in the global market. Overall, technology help Yamaha improve product quality, reduce production costs, and maintain its reputation as a modern and innovative company. Next is the legal factory. Yamaha must follow employment law to ensure fair wage and safe working conditions for employees in its factory worldwide. The company also need to comply with consumer safety regulation because motorcycle must meet strict safety standards before being sold. Besides that, Yamaha protect its motorcycle design and technology through copyright and intellectual property law to prevent imitation by competitors. Following this law is important because it helps Yamaha avoid legal problems and maintain customer trust. Lastly, for the environmental factor, climate change and environmental awareness are pushing Yamaha to reduce pollution and carbon emission. Focusing on producing more eco-friendly motorcycle and improving fuel efficiency. The company is also supporting sustainable goals by aiming for carbon neutrality in the future and increasing the use of renewable energy in production. In addition, Yamaha practice recycle by using recycled plastic and environmental friendly material in some motorcycle motorcycle part. Therefore, Yamaha is adopting its business strategy to support environmental protection and sustainable development. That's all for me. Technology, legal and environmental analysis for Yamaha. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dana. So now let's move on to task 2, the technology trend analysis. For this part, we look at where Yamaha is going in the next 5 to 10 years. Yamaha is not just making faster bike, they are making bike that are smarter, safer and cleaner. We have found 5 big trends that will change the motorcycle world. Let's look at them one by one. The first trend is called AMSAS. This stands for Advanced Motorcycle Stability Assist System. Basically, is it a self-balancing bike? How does this work? Yamaha uses a small motor on the front wheel to keep the bike upright, even when it is moving very slowly or standing still. It is very important because many riders feel scared of falling when they stop at traffic light or move in heavy traffic. Yamaha goal is to have zero fatality by the year 2050. Experts from the industry say this technology will help older people and new riders feel more confident. The second trend is swappable battery. One big problem with electric motorcycles today is that they take a long time to charge. To fix this, Yamaha joined a group called the SPMC with other brands like Honda and KTM. Instead of plugging in your bike for hours, you just go to a station, take out your empty battery and swap it for a full one. It takes less than 1 minute. Industry reports show that this market is growing by 25% every year. This tells us that in 10 years, most city bikes will use this swap and go system because it is very convenient for everyone. The third trend is radar technology. Yamaha is now putting sensors on the front and back of their motorcycle, similar to what we see in expensive cars. This sensor can see things that the rider might miss. For example, if a car in front of you stops suddenly, the adaptive cruise control will help the bike slow down automatically. It also has blind spot detection to warn you if a car is coming from behind. Experts say the demand for this smart safety tech will grow by 50% soon because global safety rules are become more strict. Yamaha is leading this change to protect their rider. Our fourth trend is hydrogen engines. While many companies are only focused on electric battery, Yamaha want to try something different. They are working with Toyota to make engines that run on liquid hydrogen. Why hydrogen? Because it is a clean fuel that does not produce CO2. But the best part is, it still feels and sounds like a real petrol engine. Yamaha president said that they want to keep the soul of the motorcycle alive. This allows Yamaha to be carbon neutral by 2050. Finally, the last trend is V2X. Connectivity. This means vehicle to everything. In the next 10 years, your Yamaha bike will be connected to the internet using 5G network. Your bike will be able to talk to traffic light and other cars on the road. For example, if a car is about to run a red line at a junction, your bike will get a warning on the screen before you even see the car. Research from the Connected Motorcycle Consortium showed that this technology can prevent 30% of accidents at junction. It turns the motorcycle into a smart device that keeps the rider safe at all times. In conclusion, these 5 trends, self-balancing, swapping battery, radar sensor, hydrogen fuel and 5G connection show that Yamaha is ready for the future. They are combining new technology with their passion for racing to make the world a better place for all riders. Thank you.
Hi everyone! So I am Nur Hasina and I'm going to present about technology trends analysis of Yamaha musical instruments. So firstly, Yamaha is increasingly using artificial intelligence or AI in music production and music learning. AI can help musicians compose songs, improve sound quality and even provide automatic accompaniment during performance. For example, Yamaha can integrate AI into digital pianos and keyboards to give real-time feedback on rhythm, pitch, and accuracy. This makes music learning more interactive and personalized, especially for the beginners. Besides that, AI-powered learning system can guide users step by step and help improve practice efficiency. According to market research, the global AI market is expected to grow rapidly to 2030. This shows strong future demand for AI-related products and services. For Yamaha, the technology creates opportunities to expand their digital instrument business, remain competitive and better understand customer preferences through data analysis. The second trend is smart and connected musical instruments using Internet of Things or IoT technology. IoT allows musical instruments to connect with smartphones, tablets, and cloud systems through the internet. Yamaha can develop smart instruments that automatically save recordings, provide software updates, and give users access to online tutorials and digital music libraries. Connected instruments also support remote collaboration, allowing musicians from different places to work together more easily. As the number of IoT devices continues to increase worldwide, consumers are becoming more interested in wireless and digitally connected products. So this trend also allows Yamaha to generate additional income through cloud services, subscription applications, and digital ecosystem connected to their instruments. The third trend is virtual reality and augmented reality technologies. VR and AR can create immersive and attractive music learning experiences. For example, Yamaha can use AR to display visual finger placements, chords, and playing instructions directly during practice sessions. This can make learning easier and more engaging for beginners. Meanwhile, VR technology can create wide music classrooms and realistic concert simulations where students feel like they are learning face-to-face with professional instructors. After the pandemic, demand for digital and remote learning increased significantly, encouraging the growth of VR and AR educational applications. So these technologies can also help Yamaha attract younger consumers who prefer technology-based and interactive learning methods. Okay, so the fourth trend is sustainable and eco-friendly manufacturing technology. Today, consumers and governments are becoming more concerned about environmental issues and sustainable production methods. Yamaha can use renewable materials, sustainable wood sources, and recyclable packaging in musical instrument manufacturing. Energy-efficient factories and automated manufacturing system can also reduce waste, lower production costs, and decrease carbon emissions. So in addition, many countries are introducing stricter environmental regulations, encouraging companies to adapt greener technologies and production systems. By practicing sustainable manufacturing, Yamaha can improve its corporate image and attract environmentally conscious consumers.
I'm Nazafira, so next I will explain the S-curve analysis for Yamaha. The S-curve model shows how a company technology or product develop over time. It starts from the introduction stage, then growth stage, maturity stage, and finally move to a new innovation stage. For Yamaha, the first stage is the introduction stage, from 1955 until around 1975. During this stage, Yamaha entered the motorcycle industry with its first motorcycle called the YA1. At that time, the technology was still basic, production was limited, and market growth was low because Yamaha was still trying to build customer trust and brand awareness. The second stage is the growth stage from 1976 until 2005. During this period, Yamaha expanded globally and motorcycle demand increased very quickly. Yamaha also introduced better technologies such as fuel injection system, improved engine performance, better suspension, and racing in technology. Popular models like the RSZ, Y125Z, and YZF R1 helped Yamaha become more well-known worldwide. At the same time, Yamaha sales and revenue also increased because the demand for motorcycle was very high, especially in Asian and international markets. Yamaha becomes one of the leading motorcycle companies together with Honda, Suzuki, and Kawasaki. The third stage is the maturity stage from 2006 until now. In this stage, the motorcycle market became more competitive and growth started to slow down. Revenue growth also becomes lower because customers now want smarter and more environmental friendly vehicle. Because of that, Yamaha started focusing on new technologies such as electric motorcycle, hybrid system, smart connectivity, or AI-assisted riding system, and LOT technology. Currently, Yamaha is between the late growth stage and maturity stage in the S-curve. This means Yamaha traditional motorcycle technology is reaching its limit, so the company is preparing for the next innovation stage. In the future, Yamaha is expected to move into a new S-curve with technologies such as electric vehicle, autonomous riding technology, AI integration, and sustainable manufacturing
This innovation can help Yamaha continue growing in the future. In conclusion, the S-curve analysis show that Yamaha continues to improve through technology innovation, product development, and market expansion to stay competitive in the global automotive industry. That's all from me.
Kali kita ada jawatan Encik di Kilang. Salam, nama saya Muhammad. Saya bekerja di Yamaha sudah 2 tahun. Saya bekerja di Yamaha sebagai welder. Apa tugas harian Encik di Kilang Yamaha? Tugas saya di Yamaha ialah melakukan kerja timpalan kepada yang bersukan menghasilkan hasil timpalan kuat dan kemas serta memeriksa kualiti produk. Apakah kemahiran yang penting untuk menjadi seorang welder di Kilang Yamaha? Seorang welder perlu mempunyai fokus yang tinggi, kemahiran menggunakan mesin dan pengetahuan tentang keselamatan semasa bekerja. Bagaimana teknologi membantu Encik bekerja di Kilang Yamaha? Teknologi membantu mempercepatkan proses kerja dan meningkatkan ketepatan hasil timpalan. Mesin moden juga menjadikan kerja lebih selamat. Apakah cabaran terbesar ketika bekerja di Kilang Yamaha? Cabaran terbesar saya bekerja di Yamaha ialah memastikan setiap hasil timpalan memenuhi standard syarikat dan mengelakkan sebarang kesilapan semasa bekerja. Bagaimana suasana kerja di Kilang Yamaha? Suasana kerja di Yamaha sangat baik. Rakan sekerja saling membantu dan pihak syarikat juga mementingkan keselamatan pekerja. Dan seterusnya, bagaimanakah nasihat Encik untuk individu yang ingin bekerja di Kilang Yamaha? Nasihat saya kepada mereka yang ingin bekerja di Yamaha, rajin belajar, berdisiplin dan sentiasa mengutamakan keselamatan ketika bekerja. Terima kasih.